Good morning, April. Are you eating your breakfast all by yourself? Yeah. We're having slop for breakfast. Delicious.
Yeah.
See, it works much better if you use your right hand, April. You have more control on that side. No, don't dump it. Don't dump it. Mmm. This is your first time eating with a spoon on your own and actually knowing what to do with it. Mmm, is it yummy? I'm glad I took your clothes off before we started eating. Mmm, so yummy. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi. Wrong end, sweetie. Can you say hi, Grandma? No. How about hi, Grandpa? Oh, you wave for Grandpa, huh? You wave for Grandpa. Grandpa's gonna rub that one in Grandma's face. Look. Say bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye. Not hi, say bye.